प्रेगनेंसी रिवील हो गया गाइस. Clock it. So Hussain is taking me to shopping because Hussain can't say no to me.
I can.
You cannot say no to me because I'm pregnant. And right after I became pregnant,
I can.
we have reached IKEA to shop. Hussain,
What?
nothing. Stop getting bored of me. Literally don't have anything. Can you imagine? So सारा प्रेगनेंसी रिवील हो गया गाइस. Clock it. That's correct. और ये व्लॉग थोड़ा लेट पोस्ट करूँगी. आई थॉट कि मैं ये वाले व्लॉग को रिवील के बाद ही पोस्ट करूँगी. So Hussain is taking me to shopping. Wow, can you drive nicely? Because Hussain can't say no to me.
I can.
You cannot say no to me because I'm pregnant. And right after I became
I
pregnant,
can.
are you gaslighting me?
No.
So I have convinced him to take me to IKEA. We are gonna do some shopping. Some stupid shopping. Frames लेने हैं हमें. And baby वाली stuff भी देख लेंगे, right?
Yeah.
This time. I remember हमने रील बनाई थी where I was running towards baby stuff and I just made Hussain feel so guilty कि हमारा बच्चा अभी तक क्यों नहीं है. Also, Hussain has become nutrition police. So he has made me pack my lunch. मुझे बाहर का खाना नहीं खाने देगा ये.
नहीं खाने देगा ये कौन है?
नहीं खाने देंगे.
अरे
Fine. So shopping. Also look what we're wearing. Like such nice bright colors, right? मैंने skincare किया ही नहीं है यार. Okay, I'm gonna do some skincare because मैंने कुछ skincare लगाया नहीं. मैं ऐसे ही जल्दी excitement में भाग गई घर से.
Is it gonna be a boy or a girl?
I know it's gonna be a boy.
It's gonna be a girl.
Nope. It's
I'm
gonna
gonna be a girl dad.
I'm gonna be a boy mom. I mean, like, look at me. It would be so hot to be a boy mom. Like, stop honking, Hussain. Civic sense है कि नहीं है? ठीक है, थोड़ा सनस्क्रीन लगा देते हैं पहले. थोड़ा धीरे चलाना प्लीज. मुझे सनस्क्रीन लगाना है. गाड़ी में करेंगे थोड़ा स्किन केयर. I am 100% sure it's gonna be a boy. I have my mother. वो क्या बोलते हैं उसको? Motherly instinct. क्या? Intuitions.
Intuition and instinct.
Intuition. Yes, मुझे लगता है लड़का ही होगा. और
It's gonna be a girl.
मैंने तो नाम भी डिसाइड कर लिया है.
Decide कर दिया.
तुमने लड़की का नाम डिसाइड किया ना, तो लड़के का मैंने किया है. ठीक है.
Who gives a flying
What?
fart if
A
it's a
boy?
boy?
हाँ. What do you mean by that?
I don't know.
No.
Boy से वो vibe नहीं आती.
मुझे तो गर्ल से वो वाइब नहीं आती है.
That's not true. Everybody likes.
Yeah, everybody wants a girl. I want a boy. I'm saying it's gonna be a boy. और मुझे लड़का चाहिए. मैं कुछ नहीं जानती. और अभी इस बार लड़की हुई, वापस मुझे लड़का चाहिए. I don't know.
That's okay. If you have a girl, then we can have a boy. Like we have matching set.
और अगर वापस लड़की हो गई तो?
Then thank you for playing.
See, I'm not being racist. I'm not being sexist here, okay? I want to be a boy mom. That's it. मुझे ऐसे कुछ है नहीं. मेरी लड़की भी होगी. I'm fine with that. But like, I know for a fact कि अगर लड़की होगी तो हुसैन और my like our daughter's gonna team up और मैं फिर अकेली हो जाऊंगी और सब लोग मतलब एक टीम हो जाएंगे.
It'll be us versus you.
And that's not true.
Think that.
I'll just get another man to be obsessed over me. इसीलिए मुझे लड़का चाहिए because I as a daughter, I was very close to my dad. And that's why I know for a fact कि अगर मुझे बेटी होगी तो वो हुसैन से ही close होगी. I mean,
I think even if we have a son, he will be close to me.
that's not true.
Please.
वो आएगा. मम्मी पापा को कन्विंस करो ना प्लीज. और तो टेंशन मत ले, मैं हूँ ना बेटा, सब मैं कन्विंस
I
करवा.
think between the two of us, you are going to say no so much more than me.
That's not fair. I'm not gonna be the bad cop.
I don't
okay?
think you're going to, like, not going to be, you just are. It's not like a role that we've decided. You're just bad, so.
Pregnant औरत को गुस्सा दिला रहे हो. Whatever. I don't care. I know it's a boy. I'm a boy mom. So yeah, लड़का ही होगा. मैं अपना ब्लश भूल गई यार हुसैन.
You look
नहीं
so
लाई
pretty
हूँ.
today. See, natural blush.
कहाँ जहाँ चाहो वहाँ पैसे बचाना है बस, है ना तुम्हें?
Yeah.
हर
True
जगह
that, true that.
पता है. अभी बीवी बोलेगी यहाँ से ब्लश दिला दो, मना नहीं करेगा, ये दिला देगा.
नहीं दिलाऊंगा. I am not going to succumb to this.
He's mad. You
This-
think?
अरे मैं pregnant हूँ तो you can't say no to me. I think.
Hussein bought me an iPhone 17 Pro. He was about to get me 1 TB and even Max if I asked him. The day you
That
found
was the
out.
only thing. That was the only thing. वो तभी थोड़ा इमोशन में बह गया मैं.
अच्छा.
वो एक ही बार था.
अच्छा.
Not happy again.
और मुझे दुबई में वहाँ कहाँ ले गए तो तुम बुर्ज खलीफा पे ऊपर क्यों ले गए?
That was that one last time.
That was again one
अब हो गया. तब वो
अच्छा.
नया था. Now you have been pregnant for a few months and I'm over it.
Loser. और आज IKEA क्यों जा रहे हैं हम लोग फिर? मना ही कर देते
वो
हैं.
तो जाना है ना. Like we need to buy some stuff for the baby.
बट मना ही कर देते ना वो भी.
No, but we need to buy some stuff for the baby. कहाँ सोएगा वो? कहाँ सुलाएंगे उसको?
सोएगा.
सोएगी. सोएंगे.
काट्या.
सोएगी. अरे that was
दिल से
because you
निकल
keep
गया ना.
saying it. Because you keep saying
हाँ
it.
तो मैं तो बोलूँगी ना क्योंकि मुझे see if I want a boy I'm just gonna call it hey it's he.
Yeah, no, because of that I'm saying it.
So you say she na. To the fetus you have to call the fetus. It's gonna hear.
Hey
it.
girl, what's up? How you doing?
Is this how you're gonna talk to your daughter?
Yeah. We gonna be
This
like
is what I'm scared. Okay.
we gonna be fam. We'll be besties, and we'll have a common enemy to bitch about. Tell her where you keep all your expensive makeup so she can steal it.
It's gonna be a boy, and we both are gonna be like Manchester City fans together.
How dare you? How dare you?
तुम्हें क्या select करना आता है क्या?
Wow! Using your makeup is not as bad as converting my son into the enemy.
मैं तो वही करूँगी. मैं ऐसे पूरी फुटबॉल में घुस जाऊँगी and I'll make sure that he chooses some other team and not like Liverpool.
I think that will be very difficult to do. My nephews are Liverpool fans. My nieces are Liverpool fans.
And what about your son? Is
He will
going
be
to be?
definitely, yes. He'll see me be so loving and passionate towards this team. He'll also automatically, organically.
We'll see. Okay guys, आगे का vlog हम करेंगे shoot IKEA पहुंचकर. Bye. So we have reached IKEA to shop stuff. Hussein, oh wow, Hussein, I want plant. I want that plant.
Oh my god. You're the money plant. Where will we keep it? Project Sala.
So you want a boy?
No, I'm saying if we have a boy.
What about a girl? Girl can also play football.
Yeah, girl can also be. Yes.
Project Mbappe.
Project Sala. Why Mbappe?
Fine. Hussein, potty seat. 2 साल तक तो चाहिए नहीं ना. I don't know how it works. I want this. I can just so basically बच्चे को इधर रख के कुछ भी कर सकते हैं.
It's literally written, do not leave child unattended. And you just said,
unattended अलग होता है. मैं ध्यान रखूंगी बच्चे का ना. इधर चेंज करना होता है वैसा कुछ. Wow, Hussein, look at this. Hey, why this carpet? This one. It's a bird.
क्या करेगा उसको?
I don't know, whatever. I think you should keep this. It's a boy, right?
You have a monkey.
Who?
No, but like, didn't Masha gift us a monkey? Punch, remember?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, but that Aisha thought they took it.
You took it?
Yeah. Baby is born.
The girls will be looking back, so they will be too old for them.
I'm going to buy this bee one. I love this bee. It's so cute. I think it's so
Buy
cute.
pink color.
No.
For girls.
Why? It's a boy. Are you Matthew? No, we missed it. We missed the stairs. Come, let's
There's no stairs.
There are stairs. What are you saying? I have to go
There's one
up.
more floor?
Yeah. There is one more floor. So our boy is going to learn how to cook. We're gonna buy all of this. Hussein,
What?
nothing. Stop getting bored of me. नहीं फिर अपना बच्चा यहाँ पे आएगा ही नहीं यहाँ पे. Why are you so annoyed? Can I have this chair? It's just for 400 rupees. Fine, let's go up. I can't be running around, you know that, right?
You can just keep moving at least.
So we have come to this place where Hussein has gotten a little shock
There are
of
so
how
many-
many stuff we have
There's
to
so
buy.
many things we have to buy.
And so much that we do not have.
I mean, obviously we don't have anything.
We don't have anything. We literally don't have anything. Can you imagine?
And you know the thing that I was most interested in? The car seat.
Of course. You wanted the car seat pehle.
Yeah, I want my kid to enjoy being in the car as much as I do.
See, he or she can also have like a coffee machine.
Oh yeah.
That's so cute. Yeah, wooden one.
I make coffee in the morning. The baby will make coffee in the morning with me.
He can make his or her milk. He can make his milk. So cute. Damn.
I love what this shop is called. क्या बिकता है दुकान में? सब बेबी का सामान. ठीक है फिर all things baby.
All things baby. I think I really want to buy this. How much does this cost?
These are around 3 to 3.5 thousand. They are wearable slippers.
Yeah, so like you can just like zip karene baby ke.
Exactly. You don't need to.
Super handy.
The type, oh, the time.
Yeah, you don't have to tie it, you know.
That's really cool.
है ना? I think I have two of these. Hi, look at this design. It's so cute. I like the yellow one.
That car seat is really cool. Show car seat.
Yeah.
Joey.
Joey and this one's Nuna also. You guys don't have Nuna? Yeah, they have Nuna as well. Nuna. Nuna's is like nice, no?
I feel like we should buy this after the kid is born, so we can like put him in the seat and see which one is comfortable in.
I agree. Which one he or she is
He or she.
like he is comfortable.
She.
Yeah. What about this? Do we need this? Like if you have car seat.
It's a car seat.
Oh wait. Can we just pick this like for the house? Like suppose if we buy
So
this
you mean a carry coat, right?
Yeah.
There's a carry coat as well.
and car
And you
seat.
can, yeah, and you can rock it as well.
Oh, that's just
Those things don't do that.
Primary, yes. Primary feature is it's a car seat. Then you can carry it.
that's what you should buy, no? Don't you think? So it can be like both carry coat and.
And this would pair on the stroller. So let's assume your child is sleeping in the car seat. Come to sleep. You don't want to wake the child up. You take this if you have a cyber stroller.
Nobody wants to wake the child up.
Exactly.
Definitely.
You just take
इसको
it
उठा के you can put it in the stroller. It
exactly,
fits
with
in
the
there.
help of the Cybex adapter.
Right.
Oh my god, we should get this. We should
But
not get.
stroller कहाँ use करते हैं? कहाँ use करते हैं?
So what if the baby like is, suppose if we are going out in the night and the baby is already sleeping?
But where there is no place in the city of Mumbai where we will go where
Oh,
a stroller.
stroller.
Yeah.
Stroller I don't think so we need.
But that-
we can have that like छोटा मोटा पतला वाला जो आता है. That I guess.
Someone in our family probably has one. They don't use.
I'm not using. I want a new one, Sam. Yeah. So we are having. Listen, do you want to have baby chino?
No one has milk.
Little latte?
No.
No.
A parenticano maybe.
Oh, you want to have parenticano? Yeah. Okay. I'll have matcha mama. That's such cute name. I know. Like even if you're not craving, you just want it.
नहीं अब तो चाहिए.
We are on a little date. Sam's having. What are you having?
A parenticano.
And I'm having matcha mama. I really think this shop is super cute and I think everyone should come here. What do you think, Sam?
Yeah, it is
And
very
spend lakhs of money.
good. Yeah. इसमें आपने कुछ किया है क्या इसके साथ?
He's like a coffee freak, so. Do you like it? Parent Chicano? I don't know what he has done. Has he done something different? Do you notice? I'm asking too many questions. I'm asking too many questions to Sam.